Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you used to. Well, today you're wrong, TLC, because today we are going searching for waterfalls. We're going to search for I think it's the Phaeng Noi Waterfall. Probably got that wrong. I can't pronounce anything. My sat nav says it's going to take me about 15 minutes to get to the waterfall, but my rental bike yet again does not have any way, like that bike does, of putting my phone anywhere to see, so no doubt that's probably going to take me at least 3 times the amount of time. As always, safety first on my rides. We got the rocking the Honda today. Not too sure about the old chin strap there. I have to just... That'll do. These glasses are starting to do my head in as well. They're running off my nose. Look, sweaty nose. Well, about 200 meters up the road, yet again, another bike rental, another empty tank. This bike can get my fat ass up the hill. Oh fuck, fucking hell, fuck's sake. Ah, shit, oh fuck, for the love of Christ. Why don't these helmets ever fit anyone? I've had to pull over because these damn helmets don't fit anyone. As soon as you put your foot down or try and go up a hill, it's ended up on the back of my neck. And I'm probably lost. Oh, these glasses are about to get thrown in the Thai bush. Look, there you go, straight on in the end of your nose. Like when your dad's reading a paper and he looks down at you like you've done something wrong. Yeah, again. No signposts, no clues or indication of, oh, it's a cool rock. No clues or indication where the waterfall is. These roads are getting windier and steeper, more concentrating, less fucking vlogging. Oh God, I'm gonna die. Don't vlog and moped, kids. It's dangerous, and I'm a professional stuntman. Okay, I'm lost. Just going around this fucking monument on the roundabout. First roundabout I've seen in Thailand, and then the waterfall, a sign. I mean, it was just a sign. It didn't point in any direction. It just told you that there is a waterfall in this country. Right, it's time to pull over yet again and check the map. Because this is starting to get on my nerves, not having these phone mounts, so I can actually see where I'm going. And I'm dropping money on the floor. Oh, God almighty. Looks like an area to be full of snakes as well. Right, can't see anything on my phone. Great. Now it's saying 28 minutes. I'm in the middle of fucking nowhere. And I look like an absolute dickhead. And everything that my phone keeps saying, it then adds time on. Glass is falling off my fucking head. It's red hot, I'm sweating, my bollocks are stuck together. Moped rental companies in Thailand. You know that us foreigners don't have a clue where we're going. Every bike that you have, stick a mount here. What is that? I like how they sell gasoline in little glass bottles at the side of the road. As much as I'm having a mini meltdown driving around trying to find this waterfall, in all fairness, it's actually great fun. Because every now and again, well, actually not every now and again, every kind of corner's got something cool and interesting to see. Now look at this. I don't think the camera will do it justice because it doesn't zoom, but this is the kind of thing I had in mind that I wanted to see when I rented the bike. Just to get away from, not that it's busy on the island that I found, but just to have a little adventure away from most of the other people. Look at that water buffalo down there, living the dream. Okay, what the f is that? It's one of them giant centipede things. I don't want to see any snakes. I don't want to see any centipedes. I don't want to see any bats. I just want to see water buffalo and dogs. Having fun?
Yeah.
Masked Raider. Well, this looks like a nice viewpoint to stop off at. Hi. Oh, look at that perfect little stool for me to rest my fat butt. Look at that. Oh, that is hot. Imagine living there. It's unfinished, but imagine living there. That, and you get that view. That would be incredible. Hang on a minute. They're looking for plus-size models in Samui. I think I might know someone who could be perfect for that position. I put my t-shirt on to come into this place, and I don't think it's going to take me long before I completely sweat through it. Hello. Is it okay to get something to drink?
Yes.
Hi. Hello. Nice to meet you. Can I check the menu out, please? Thank you. Okay to sit over there? Or here?
Yeah.
Best for you. Oh wow, look at this table. That is the best view in the house. I need this drink of water badly. Got a nice iced latte to keep me going on my journey with a nice pink flower. Oh, that is good. I've got my pad thai, which is very nice. And so, quick meal, quick rehydrate, and then back on the road to this unfindable waterfall. Cheers. No, don't worry about the change, for you. Okay, thank you. Cheers, see you later. Thank you, take care. That was an awesome little restaurant that, for the most part, I was sat in there on my own, taking in that view completely by myself. So I can't tell you where it is because I have no idea where I am, but if you Google this, then you'll find it. Just pulled over to see this cool little place. I have no idea what it is, but that is one cool dragon. Hello, how are you? What is this here?
Yeah, this is land, coconut garden. Yeah, everything from coconut, make everything from coconut. Doragon from coconut. Yeah, zinc. Model.
Oh, are they coconut?
Yeah, coconut. Coconut. Yeah, oil, lotion. We make from coconut.
Everything's made from coconut.
Yeah. This oil, lotion, make.
Oh, lotion as well. Let's go have a look at this coconut lotion.
Make lotion oil.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, 100%.
Oh yes, smells strong. Hello.
Yeah.
Smells very strong. What do you put the?
Just come here. Mama.
What do you put the coconut lotion on? I guess you put it on your hair and your skin.
We make last night.
Oh, coconut oil. Oh,
yeah. Oil lotion.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. 100%.
Oh, it smells good.
Yeah. We make.
Smells very good.
Yeah.
How much is your lotion?
Yeah. This one bottle.
How much?
Yeah, 80 baht for one.
80?
Yeah.
I only have 1,000 baht. Do you have change?
Yeah.
You have change. Oh, okay. I will buy some.
Yeah. Honey.
Oh, honey.
Yeah, honey 80 baht. Yeah, honey 150. Yeah.
I won't take the honey. I will just take the coconut oil. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Yeah.
So just put it into skin.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Honey. This
honey. Oh, real honey.
No.
Oh, wow. From
Yeah,
Do I just eat?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Ah. Oh, that's good. Very good. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
ครับ
Thank you guys.
ครับ Bye.
See you later. Bye bye.
Bye.
Awesome. Just purchased myself some coconut oil for my glowing skin. Let's put that in the treasure trove. What was that? Like 100 baht. I gave him a couple of quid. For some coconut oil. Hey. I don't really know if I'm going to use that coconut oil, but seemed like a nice older couple. Also, the honey that I tried. I mean, God knows where he found that, but the bit that he shoved into my mouth, God, that doesn't sound right, does it? The honeycomb that he fed me was very, very nice. I'm sure the honey would have been great as well, but I'm not going to be able to do anything with that. Just seeing a horsey. Wonder if they're friendly horses. He's coming over. I don't know if he's going to bite the absolute living daylights out of me. Hey, red rum and a little one. Hello. What are you eating? What are you grazing on? Hey. Good horse. Okay, red rum and Garrison Savannah. I will see you later. If you understand any English. Okay, we had a quick horse stop. The sat nav saying I'm not far away from this waterfall now, but we're going down smaller roads. I have no idea if it's taking me to the right place.
Turn right.
Turn right. Turn right. You'd think that if this was one of the main attractions on this island, it would be signposted. I don't think that's...
Turn right, then turn right.
What? Turn right, then turn right. Let's just do what it says. I mean, look at the path now. Are you even supposed to be driving your bike up here? This can't be right, can it? Right, I'm gonna park my bike back down there, and I'm gonna ask someone, because this doesn't feel right. So I just asked a nice lady for directions, and she said that this is the route, the one that I was on. And I said if I could take my bike up or had to leave it, and her exact words were, "No, go, 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 go." So we're gonna go, 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 until we can't go, 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 go anymore. Bollocks to it, we're having it. straight past the guard post. Ooh. Yeah, this is not this is not motorbike territory. Oh, fucking crashed into a bush. I've got myself in a right pickle here. Get it, you. Right, what time is it? I'm leaving my bike here. Gonna walk the rest. Back over the giant leaf. Right, I'm parking my bike up and then we're gonna gump it. Right, okay. I've left my bike there. Could be the last time I ever see that. We're gonna gump the last 1.5 kilometres, 2 kilometres. I put my t-shirt on, even though it's roasting hot, because I've got no insect spray on, and it feels like I'm gonna be walking into an area. Well, just look at it. I'm probably going to get bit into smithereens, and that's the only water I've got. So that's hoping I can get up there, get back in a reasonable time, and yeah, nothing's ever easy, is it? Yeah, there's a little shrine. Then I can't read that, but it's obviously to that gentleman there. Also, I like the way in Google Maps it just shows you a route straight up, like one line up, just saying, yeah, all you've got to do is turn right and go right again, and then just go straight up and you're in there. Where's right here? All I can hear is weird noises. I'm not a fan of this long grass. I don't know what kind of snakes Thailand has, if any, that are dangerous. Probably a lot. Is that it? It's amazing that I'm in a pair of shorts on my Todd. I found one person to ask, and they said it is this way. Go, 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 she said. Well, I'm going. I'm already blowing out my backside. The thing that makes me question this is, where are all the other bloody tourists? Because us tourists, we see a destination online and we pack it out and we go to these places and we completely fucking ruin them. You, what the fuck was that? Okay, I just shit my pants. What was that? What was that? Whew. Like a oh, it's a lizard. Jeez. You don't get lizards in London. Oh, I'm not used to this kind of well, wildlife. And when you're not from the country and it's thousands and thousands of miles away, you what is that noise now? Yeah, as I was saying, when you're thousands of miles away, they have all kinds of shit that you don't know what it is. I don't know, I want to go past this bit. Here we come. The British Expeditionary Force yet again. Nah. This is this isn't the route to that waterfall. I'm telling you now. Is that a hut? That's a hut. Okay. Big trouble in little Thailand. Ah, something's on me. Oh look, I've got a stick. I've got a stick on me. I've got a stick hanging out. Also, because I'm so hot and sweaty, it's dripping down my legs and it feels like more bugs are on me than they are, and I'm twitchy because of it. No, you can't go through there. This isn't the way. Right, I'm going back. I'm calling this recce off. It is over up here. There's got to be another turning. There's got to be another turning further up that maybe I should have tried. It's probably some sort of marker where someone got lost before. I'll find the skeleton of another British person in a minute, another British idiot like me who's made the same mistake. And the reason I know that it'll be the skeleton of a British person is because they'll either have skinny jeans on or a pair of Crocs will lie at their feet where they were, because Crocs seem to be the cool thing now. Years ago, a couple of years back, people used to have the piss taken out of them for wearing Crocs, and now all of a sudden they're in fashion. Now if you take the mickey out of someone who's wearing Crocs, you're the idiot. Whoa. Right, I need a serious regroup here. I'm back to the shrine. Or maybe that was erected to commemorate the last British idiot that thought it'd be a good idea to try and that noise has stopped. Generally don't think I'm going to be able to find it. If I don't find the road that leads up to it in the next 20 minutes, then it won't just be the trek up that way that's being aborted. It's going to be the whole goddamn thing. I thought, oh, what can I name this video? The Great Waterfall Hunt. At this rate, we're not finding a waterfall. It'll just be something that rhymes with hunt, and my face is a thumbnail. Okay, I finally made it to the waterfall. Now I've just got to find out what way to go. Is it up the stairs? I am severely dehydrated. I've got fresh water from the shop. Luckily they've got a shop here. But there isn't a single bit of my clothes that isn't soaked through. What's this? Cool. Yeah, there's not a single bit of me that isn't soaked through. Okay, get back up here. $200 meters. 200 meters. Well, that's just amazing. So it gives you the warning sign here about poisonous creatures. There's me a minute ago, rummaging through God knows where in a pair of shorts. Okay, more hazards. Okay. The tree of snakes. Waterfall getting a new paint job. Okay. You can add monkeys as a new thing to be wary of. So we've got poisonous insects and monkeys. And they wouldn't have put a sign up if the monkeys were nice, were they? So I'm guessing the monkeys, as usual, are complete bastards. Whew. What's out of order now? Every sign you go past is bad news. And I'm also not hearing an awful lot of water, considering this is a waterfall. Alright, how do you do this then? Hey. Oh. Is it obvious that I'm completely unfit? The other thing that I've just thought about with all the positive signage, as we have yet another bit of positivity, the other thing about all the signage, like the insect one, it just says beware of the insects, okay? But it doesn't tell me what I need to do if I get bitten by one. Or is there anything you can do? Is that it? At least give me a fighting chance. Again, as for the monkeys, it just says that there are ones. You know, tell me what I need to do to fend off the monkeys. You know, is it some sort of Planet of the Apes shit? Are we dealing with chimpanzees? Are they gorillas? Or are they the tiny little things that you see, little spider monkeys? I feel like a little more information would be greatly beneficial. Well, there's our first sign of water anyway. But we'll see when we get to the top. I'm staying at a fitness hotel that has a gym, outside gym, right next to the beach. The plan was quickly scoot to the waterfall, and then when you get back to your hotel later, you can I'll have a workout. I am absolutely drenched. The only workout I'm having is the ice bath that they provide. Oh yeah. Come on, Flynn. You're a firefighter, for the Lord's sake. Look at that. Where's the warning sign for that? Oh, here we go. Memek Meme Cylon Uvatum Sm. Translated into English: one touch, quick death, no cure. Sm. Is this it? Am I in the waterfall? I kind of lost the trail. I don't know if I was in the waterfall then. Or that can't be the top. I've completely lost the trail. It was all marked out with the rope handle, and now it's completely disappeared. It's saying nature trail up this way, but this just seems like this is where the waterfall should be. I am in the wrong place. How do I get back? Okay, back on track. I'm blowing out my arse. I don't care if I sit on a scorpion. I need a rest. Apologies if all you're hearing is me breathing heavy, but it's hard going now. And look at the state of me. I've got this much water left, and is it that way? And I can feel that I'm getting proper dehydrated. A little bit of the old heat syncope kicking in, which is not good. Because oh, look at that. I haven't even made it to the top yet, and I've got to find my way back down. Is it much further?
Hello.
Is it much further up there?
I did like a nature trail.
Yeah.
Okay, so you are at 1/3 roughly.
1/3.
Yeah.
Wow.
We'll be going up a little bit more and then going down.
Wow. Okay.
You okay on that shoes? I was struggling really.
Oh, with your set of sandals.
Yeah. You see this map?
Yeah.
Okay, you came from here.
Yeah.
We are about somewhere here.
Ah. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Good.
So if you want to follow, you follow.
Oh, it goes back round and then back down.
Yeah. It's
Perfect.
just a sign like nature trail.
Yeah. I've been following that. I just wasn't sure how long there was.
To be fair, probably almost the same distance.
Yeah.
No, not the same distance, a little bit shorter.
Okay.
But we'll be going up a little bit more uphill.
Perfect.
Yeah, take care.
Thank you, mate.
You are the first person I've seen actually.
There's one more coming up behind me. Yeah.
Seen anybody here. Apart from monkeys.
Is there monkeys up there?
At the beginning was 3 monkeys, and I saw I don't know, a kind of snake in the water,
Oh, really?
but it's small one. So.
Ah. What are the monkeys doing? Are they robbing stuff?
I would be careful with your stuff. I don't think so. They were just run away from me. So.
Ah.
Don't worry.
Let's hope they do the same.
No.
Cheers. Thank you. So, you heard that correctly. We've got see no evil, hear no evil, speak no evil coming up. And we've probably got about the same to go again on the trail and then back down. All before 4 o'clock. And it's about 20 to 3 now. So, gonna have to get a bit of a move on. And okay, I lost the trail again. Oh, here we are. Yeah, better get a move on. And the guy said just be careful of your stuff from the monkeys, even though they ran away when he got there. If they kick the living crap out of me, and the end of this vlog is made by 3 monkeys, you'll know why. Okay, come from here all the way up to here, and that goes round and viewpoint there, then cut in back down. What will be about halfway? About halfway, drop of water left. I'm actually going to have to dig quite deep now because I can't stop sweating. That's not good. Got a long way to go. I don't think I want to drink that water. And I've got to go back down. Luckily, at the bottom, there is a kiosk with drinks where I need to get a sugary drink and a huge bottle of water. I sound like Bear Grylls. I'm losing water and I'm losing it fast. I need to find some camel shit to squeeze the juice out of, otherwise I'm going to be in trouble. The good thing is, if you can call it good, is that I'm still sweating. Once that stops, that means my water stores are done for. Then things could get a bit spicy. Anyway, British Expeditionary Force, we don't quit. We shall never surrender. We shall fight them in the forest, and in the bush, and in the stream. By the way, spoiler alert, come on, talk. Spoiler alert, I don't think we're going to see any more water. I think the bit of the waterfall that we saw, that's it. In other terms, there ain't a waterfall. There isn't enough rain for it. We saw water trickle. So, I don't know what else there is to say. We got lost going into the wrong trail. We're on a mammoth trail now. And all this was going to be a video about a waterfall that never was. The funny thing was, I just saw a guy. The second person I've seen come in the other direction, and all I heard was, "Hey, Mr. UK." He's from Oman, and I got talking to him last night at my hotel, and then randomly I see him walking the other way in the middle of a fucking shit, nearly fell over, Thai forest. But the good thing was, I did tell him, if he doesn't see me at the hotel later on, to send a search party. Just look for the corpse of a rotund, sunburnt British geezer. Also, what's interesting is when I paid the 100 baht to put myself through this, the lady at the kiosk took my money, and there was a sheet of paper that you filled out your name, your details, and what time you started climbing this waterfall / nature trail. And I said to her, "Do you want me to fill my details out?" She said, "Oh no, don't worry about it, it's fine." It's not fine. If I don't make it, no one's coming to look for me. No one knows I'm here. This is how much I'm sweating. Look at that. This is a cool little thing, though. Maybe it used to be a tuck shop. Not enough customers. The terrain looks like it's getting a little bit better now on the descent. And although it looks still fairly rocky, there are bits like this where you can actually, you don't have to think about every step like you did on the way up. You still get little bits like this, but it is a lot quicker than it was. I think we're coming up to what it says is the viewpoint, and I think it marks a point. Wow. Well, we haven't got much further to go. Check this out. Whoa. Return of the Pixie King. I am knackered, man. But look at that. That is worth it. That is worth it, man. What is that constant ringing? Who cares? I need a Coke or two full fat Cokes, and I don't give a shit. I am drinking beer tonight. I feel like I've earned it. This is one good view. Yeah. Here, come where I am. Sit in this spot.
Finally here. Wow. Yeah, nice.
That's good.
Yeah.
Ooh. After that absolutely amazing view, I feel like we're nearly at the end now. We've come around here, we've come all the way up, all the way around, all the way around here, and now on the home straight. I am exhausted. My socks, my trainer socks are now squelching. Oh, see, proper steps. Wow. God, they leave one of the hardest bits till last, don't they? Proper steps. The final furlong. I'm hoping that my money isn't completely soggy and soaked wet through in my bag, so I can actually buy a drink. Otherwise I'm going to have to dry that out before I make my purchase. I can see the shop. Last bit. Yeah. Nearly there. That's the guy I met on the way up and all the way around. We've been chatting. His name's Quincy. He's from Hong Kong. He's a nice guy. Is that freshly wet? Guys, one last look at the thing we came to see. The epic, I give you, the epic waterfall. That's some waterfall.
Yeah.
It's just missing one thing.
Yeah, water.
The water.
Yeah.
With one key component missing. Falling water. The only falling water here is the falling water that is pissing out of me. Hi. I've made it. Made it back to base camp. I think this place closes at 4. It's 5 to 4, so I've done it in the nick of time. Yeah, if you ever do this walk up to the waterfall, 1, I hope that you find water, because we didn't. 2, bring lots of water with you and some sugary drinks. It should come with a warning to tell you how long it's going to take you. I don't know, what would that take me, 2-3 hours, something like that. All the signs warn you about insects and creepy crawlies. I guess just look out for them. I didn't see any monkeys that wanted to rob me, but be mindful of them. The most important thing, water, water, more water. Okay. Whew. Thanks for sticking around. See you next time. If that's not an ad for a Coke break, I don't know what is. Cheerio.